snow-cladded valleys, tea gardens, the greenery and cool environment of the hill stations attract us the most, especially during summers when it's too hot on the plains. Well, to get some relief from the scorching heat of the sun, a short trip to the beautiful hill stations is like a visit to the paradise. So for that, let's find out few of the best hill stations in India. Here is a list of the top 10 best hill stations of India. Shillong is a hill station in northeast India and the capital of the state of Meghalaya, which means abode of the clouds. Shillong is also known as the Scotland of the East. The cascading waterfalls, azure lakes, botanical gardens, breathtaking greenery, swaying pine trees, and museums displaying the enriched culture of the Khasis all make Shillong a perfect holiday destination. Though Shillong has numerous beautiful places to visit like the Elephant Falls, Shillong Peak, Umiam Lake, Don Bosco Museum, Latlam Canyons, Wards Lake, but the most important place is Cherrapunji. It is just 2 hours from Shillong and located at an elevation of 1300 meters. It is famed for heaviest rainfall in the world and so is the wettest place on earth. Manali, located in Himachal Pradesh at an elevation of about 2050 meters and 270 kilometers north of the state capital Shimla. Manali is one of the most popular honeymoon destinations of India. Set on the Beas River, it's a gateway for skiing in the Solang Valley and trekking in Parvati Valley. Manali is also a jumping off point for paragliding, rafting and mountaineering. Manali is predominantly cold during winter and moderately cool during summer. Best places to visit in Manali are Rohtang Pass, Solang Valley, Hidimba Devi Temple, Manu Temple, Manali Nature Park, Bhrigu Lake, Hot Spring at Manikaran, Mall Road for shopping and dining. Darjeeling is a town located at an elevation of 2000 meters in the northern part of the state of West Bengal. Famous for its Darjeeling tea grown on the mountain slopes, it was once the summer resort for the British Raj elite. From Tiger Hill viewpoint in Darjeeling, Mount Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest peak, is clearly visible. Darjeeling is also famous for Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also called Toy Train, which starts from New Jalpaiguri station in Siliguri. Ghum, the highest railway station, is also located here. Darjeeling has temperate climate with wet summers caused by monsoon rains. Best time to visit Darjeeling in summers is from April to June and in winters from October to December. Some of the important places to visit in Darjeeling are Singalila National Park, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Tiger Hill, Batashia Loop, Happy Valley Tea Estate, Japanese Peace Pagoda, Nevada Valley National Park. Ooty, also known as Udagamandalam, is a popular holiday destination in the beautiful Nilgiri Hills in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. It is located 2240 meters above sea level and has a beautiful climate throughout the year, but monsoons makes it a dream destination for mountain lovers. This lovely destination stands tall and can hypnotize anyone with its cool peaceful landscape, lush green scenery, crystal clear lakes, aromatic tea gardens and joyful ride on the miniature toy train that infuses fresh air into the souls of the weary travelers. Best places to visit in Ooty are Ooty Lake, Botanical Garden, Needle View Hill Point, Rose Garden, Emerald Lake, Wenlock Downs, Dolphin's Nose, Kalhati Falls, Druk Fort, Dodabeta Peak, Kamras Sagar Lake and many more. Kodaikanal is a popular tourist destination in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil it means the gift of the forest. Its average temperature is 20 degrees centigrade in summer and 8 degrees centigrade in winter. At 2000 meters above sea level, Kodaikanal centers around man-made star-shaped Kodaikanal Lake bordered by evergreen forests. Kodaikanal is a place you can go to take a break from the rigors of daily city life, and this hill station lets you sit back and connect with nature as you head out on a biking or trekking trail or take a stroll through the vast forest surrounding the town. Places to visit in Kodaikanal are Green Valley View, Kodai Lake, Beer Shola Falls, Pillar Rocks, Devil's Kitchen, Thalayar Falls, Coker's Walk, Silver Cascade Falls, Kodaikanal Solar Observatory, and many others. Nainital is a Himalayan desert town in the Kumaon region of India, Uttarakhand state. It sits around Nainital Lake, a popular boating site with Naina Devi temple on its north shore. It is 285 kilometers from Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand. Commonly known as the Lake District of India, Nainital is famous for its beautiful lakes or tals. Best season to visit Nainital is between March to June, but it's cool throughout the year with beautiful scenic beauty. Important places to visit in Nainital are Eco Cave Gardens, Naini Lake, Naina Devi Temple, the Mall Road, Snow View Point, Tiffin Top, Jollycote, High Altitude Zoo, Nainital Ropeway, Peora Kumpha Tal, Tibetan Market, and many such. Gangtok is a breathing and dynamic bit of paradise of the northeast. It is the capital of the Himalayan state of Sikkim. The town, during its bright sunny day, offers spectacular views of Mount Kanchenjunga. Best time to visit Gangtok is between October to December. During the months of March to May, blooming of wild rhododendrons transform the surrounding region in vast fields of colorful carpets. Gangtok and its surroundings are abundant in natural and cultural places to visit, including Songmo Lake, Banjakri Falls, Tashi Viewpoint, Enchi Monastery, Rumtek Monastery. River Tista facilitates one of the best spots for whitewater rafting. MG Road and Lal Market are for dining and shopping. Pahalgam is a hill station in the northern state of Jammu and Kashmir. Located 95 km from Srinagar, the capital of the state, at a height of 7,200 feet, Pahalgam is known as the Valley of Shepherds. It serves as the base camp during the Amarnath Yatra. Apart from pilgrimage, Pahalgam is also a treat for adventure junkies and is the starting point of several treks. Pahalgam is surrounded by thickly wooded pine forests, breathtaking vistas of meadows, and the snow-clad Himalayan mountains. Best time to visit Pahalgam is between March to November. Rest months the temperature goes to minus. Best places to visit in Pahalgam are Tulian Lake, Betab Valley, Pahalgam Golf Club, shopping of Kashmiri handmade firan, the long woolen Kashmiri cloaks, Kashmiri shawls, and other woolen products. Mussoorie is a hill station in Uttarakhand state located 290 km from New Delhi and only 35 km from the state capital Dehradun. With the backdrop of Shivalik range of Himalayas, Mussoorie is truly the queen of hill stations. Mussoorie experiences cool and pleasant climate throughout the year. This colonial hill station features some of the prestigious educational institutions of India, stately hotels, cozy cafes, old taverns, buildings, bustling markets, and tourist spots to lure the visitors. Mussoorie is famous for a weekend getaway, honeymoon destination, Himalayan views, and Mall Road. It offers spectacular views of the snow ranges to the northeast, glittering view of the Doon Valley, and Shivalik ranges to the south. Some of the best places to visit in Mussoorie are Kempty Falls, Gun Hill, Camelback Road, Mussoorie Lake, Lal Tibba, Bhatta Falls, Jwala Devi Temple. Shimla, the capital of northern state of Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is predominantly cool during winters and moderately warm during summer. Situated at the height of 2200 meters, Shimla has been a very popular hill station among Indian families and honeymooners. Shimla still retains its old world charm with beautiful colonial architecture, pedestrian friendly mall road, and the ridge. Best time to visit Shimla is between March to June when the daytime weather is pleasant. In winter months, November to February, Shimla experiences snowfall and snow activities. Best places to visit in Shimla are the Ridge, Kufri, Kalka Shimla Toy Train, Tatopani, Shimla Mall Road, ice skating, Jaco Temple, Green Valley, Mashobra, Naldera, skiing in Kufri, Khada Patthar, Fagu, Himalayan Bird Park, etc.